Setting up AT&T Internet yourself is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Our simple do-it-yourself kit will have you up and running in about 30 minutes. Plus, doing it yourself can save you time and money. It's convenient since you won't have to take off work or wait at home for an installation appointment. You can get connected on your own time, and you won't have to pay for a technician to come to your home. Anyone can do it. There's no need to drill holes in your home or lay cables to get your Wi-Fi gateway connected. You don't need any tools or technical skills. Our easy-to-use kit has everything you need and will arrive as soon as 3 business days after your order. Unpack your kit and connect your new Wi-Fi gateway with the included color-coded cables. Once it powers up, just connect your devices to your Wi-Fi network. Don't worry, our simple instructions will show you how to set everything up. Then, download the free AT&T Smart Home Manager app for an easy way to personalize and manage your Wi-Fi network. And you're done. It's easy, but if you get stuck, we've got answers. Check out the troubleshooting section of the guide that comes with your kit, or go to att.com/support. Thank you for choosing AT&T.